other day, I got into the most heated discussion with a friend. Her claim is that a Thai curry can only be made with a gorgeous Thai curry paste. And I was like, girl, you're so wrong, and I'm going to get great joy in showing you how. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we create a Thai-style shrimp curry, so simple with ingredients readily available in most kitchens. My favorite cast iron gets a slathering of some smoked sesame oil, nearly 30 mils of that. And as it's near smoking temperature, we're going to infuse it with nearly 20 cloves of garlic bruised up, about 2 inches of ginger, and just swizzle it away. Into this goes 20 bird-eye chilies that have been muddled and bruised up as well for the heat. Now you want flavor and loads of it, so in goes the shrimp heads, nearly 15 of them. Into this goes some kaffir lime leaves, just bruised up and toned. In goes a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You want to extract all that prawn goodness, so in goes about 1.5 cup of some simmering hot water. In goes 1/2 cup of some pea brinjals and allow it to simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. It's now time to drop in the shrimps, about 14 to 15 of them, peeled, deveined, and I just left the tail on for aesthetics. Season with some salt, and this is totally optional. Not required, but just adds that additional zing of freshly milled pepper. In goes 1/2 cup of blanched sweet potato cubes and 1 cup of blanched haricot beans. And lastly, what's a Thai curry without the famed coconut milk? So about 2 cups of that going in. The beauty about this curry is that it gets done in about 20 minutes flat. So lastly, just add some zest of lemon into it. Switch off the flame and garnish it with an overload of some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now ain't this a Thai-style shrimp curry ready in a jiffy? A burst of freshness, this curry is divine, yet so easy to make that it takes about 20 minutes to get done. Now I know I'm going to get a lot of flack for this, but once you understand the core principles behind any cuisine, you have the right to create multiple options of the same. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.